Welcome to part 2 of the Toyota Proace tour. And I've done a few extra additions which weren't in the first video, so I thought I'd just do an extra part 2 addition. So first thing you can see is I've got a surfboard mounted on the roof. Got these ratchet straps, so you can fit up to an 8-foot long surfboard in here. It's pretty good. Obviously probably take off the fins so you don't hit your head on them. But that's mod number 1. Mod number 2 is I've got an extra shelf here, so a bit more storage. You can see there's a cup in there, and you can fit obviously lots of stuff in there, and you've got an extra little bit up the top as well. And then you can take this cup and put it on this little shelf here, and I'll show you this in a minute. This is the other edition. But when you're not using this edition, you can use it as a little shelf to put something on while you're looking out to the view. So I'm just out the back here in this little shelf unit. So this flips up. You can pull that out. And that is an extra cooking area. So I'll just get the induction cooker which lives in there and put it here. So that just slots on there. And I wired in an extra socket. And then that turns on.